Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. An error occurred trying to connect to the WSUS server. This error typically shows up in the Windows Server Update Services WSUS console when there are network issues, misconfigured services, or corrupted IIS or database components. These can prevent your server from managing updates correctly, but don't worry, there are straightforward solutions. Step 1. Open Settings and clean up the system. Click the Start icon, type Settings, and press Enter to open it. In Settings, go to System, then click Storage on the right panel. Click Cleanup Recommendations. Go to C, Advanced Options, select Remove Files, and Confirm. Step 2, turn Internet Information Services off and back on. Type Windows Features into the Start menu and open Turn Windows Features on or off. Find Internet Information Services. Here is Internet Information Services. Check the box, click OK. After completing all the steps, restart your computer to apply the changes. All done. That's how to fix the issue connecting to Windows Server Update Services. Hope it worked for you. Have a great day and goodbye.